Hi friends, this is Sonia Puri from Delhi Heart. Many times we get question from you how to measure yourself when you're ordering online from our website. So there are two important things that you need to know when you're ordering for yourself, especially in women's sizes. You have to have your shoulder length and your chest measurement. So how to do that? We'll do that using a simple measuring tape. So the shoulder length is measured from across. See where the sleeve starts. Just put your one end of your measuring tape at that point, go all the way across to where the other sleeve starts. That's your shoulder length. Then you need to know your chest measurement. So in an existing garment, which I'm just giving a demo here, if you have something that fits you perfectly, that would be ideal for you to just take the measurements from. So for the chest line, you look right underneath where your armhole is. You put one end of your measuring tape right there, go all the way across to the next one and measure that. So this is one side. This is like coming out to be about 19 and a half to 20. So for a chest measurement, this would be 40. You double it. You keep the shoulder length one time, and then for the chest, when you measure, you just double it because we are going, it's your full chest measurement, right? And the chest line is that. So it is also good to have information on your armhole. So how to measure that? I'm using this kurti to help us out. It is more of a medium to a large size kurti. So if you look at where your shoulder line is, you'll see the seam right there. You put your measuring tape there and you go towards your armhole and you'll measure it one side. So this is about 8.5. So you double it for your armhole. So that would be about 17 inches. So in this case, this kurti has about 17 inches of armhole, right? That's about a medium to a large kurti. You also, if you are concerned, you can also have your sleeve length ready. So again, how we measure sleeve length is we go where the sleeve starts, and then you put your measuring tape there and you go all the way to the end of it. So this kurti that I'm demonstrating, this is a 3/4 size kurti and it's coming to be about 16 inches. It is also good to know what your sleeve opening is. Measurement is easy. You measure it one side and then you double it. It's about 10 inches. So 5 one side and then you double it. That's your sleeve opening. For your waist, you look right underneath your armhole and around your waist area. That's where the waist would be. You use your measuring tape and go across, measure one side. It's coming out to be about 18, and you double for your waistline as well. So these measurements are good to be done in inches because most of the sizes that we have online are measured in inches and demonstrated that way. So in terms of the length of the kurti, so sometimes you like long length kurtis. So your length of the kurti can depend on how long of a kurti you want. You want it all the way to your feet, you are looking for something all the way to your knees, or you're looking for something short which ends right by your waist. So to measure the length of the kurti, like for example this one, we can take right from the top where the shoulder line is and go all the way down and get the measurement of that. So that would be your length. So remember to measure it from the top of the shoulder line all the way to the length. Whether you are doing a long length or you have a short length kurti which would mostly come up to your waist, you can measure it accordingly. So these measurements, this type is helpful if you have an existing kurti or a salwar suit or a dress that fits you perfectly, and you can measure with that. The other way you can measure is on your body. you would need somebody's help. And if you do have that help, it would be easier for you to just go use this measuring tape, and that other person can help you. So we can start, like for measuring the shoulder, you do it from your behind, like they can go back and they can measure your shoulder line, where your arm starts, goes all the way. So that would be your shoulder line. They can measure your chest very, very easily. You just have to go around you. You can do it yourself with a little practice, but it's always better to have some help. So that would be your chest line right there. You can measure your waist right around here, like that, and note that number. Your sleeve length, it will start right where your shoulder ends, right here, and you can go all the way on that length. Little help will be appreciated by somebody. So, and then sleeve opening would be just like that. So you can do the sleeve opening there. You can do your armhole with somebody's help right here. That would be your armhole. So you can do that. And then length of the kurti, of course, they can help you measure all the way from here to the down, right? So those, my friends, are some of the tips to do the measurements for yourself, or if you have an existing garment. If you have any questions, or if you would like to know more, do reach out to us. And thank you for watching our video.